Let us try to learn how to add background gradients to any selected element on the canvas. To do that, simply click on the element you want. Then click on the setting icon. This will open the properties panel on the left. Under customize background, click on this icon. Now this will add two different colors as a gradient by default. You can mix match multiple colors if you want to. As of now, I'm going to change the two different colors. Alright, let us try to understand what happens under the hood. When you change any property using properties panel, this will automatically generate the CSS code. So in the top, under classes, you can see the particular ID has been generated for the selected element in the canvas. When you find that particular ID in the style.css file, you can see the CSS snippet. And when you remove this, the applied background style property will be removed. So in this way, we manipulate style gradients either using properties panel or using CSS code.